Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any photo into a sticker on your iPhone. So if you want to create custom stickers from your pictures, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and choose the photo you want to use. This works on most modern iPhones running iOS 17 or newer, and it works best with images that have a clear subject and background. Now, tap and hold on the subject in the photo. After a second, you'll see an outline appear around it. That means your iPhone has successfully lifted the subject from the background. Once that happens, tap Add Sticker to turn it into a sticker. Now you can customize it with different effects. You can choose Outline to give it that classic sticker look, Comic for a bold ink style effect, Puffy to make it look like a 3D sticker that reacts when you tilt your phone, or Shiny for a cool holographic metallic finish. You can use your new sticker when texting, but you're not limited to that. You can also add it to photos or PDFs using markup tools, or even copy the sticker and paste it directly into apps like Instagram stories. And that's it. That's how you easily create and use custom stickers on your iPhone.